So when I head out to the field, I always bring clean tools and clean totes. So everything has been washed, scrubbed with soap and water, then rinsed. And then I do a diluted bleach solution for sanitizing. As I increased production of salad mix, one of the issues was getting the greens really, really dry. And I had, up until recently, up until a couple years ago, a manual salad spinner, which was a lot of cranks depending on how many pounds of lettuce we were processing each week. So I upgraded. UVM's extension program has a conversion of a washing machine into a salad greens dryer. And my husband was able to help me and we put it together. And so this has made a huge difference. But I also wanted to make sure it was clean. And so I've developed an SOP that makes sure that on a weekly basis, how to clean the basket and how to scrub down and get everything sanitized. So on a week-to-week basis, between uses, it's clean so that we're not at risk for having any bacteria back up in there.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.